The University at Albany Libraries are excited to announce we're now affiliated with DMP Tool. DMP Tool is a free online tool used to help researchers create data management plans that may be required by funders and/or your institution. It includes templates from all major funders and is updated when requirements change. The university libraries have added guidance within the tool to help you customize your plan with our institutional requirements, resources, and services. To access it, go to dmptool.org, then go to Sign In and select Option 1 for affiliated institutions. Enter Albany, and you'll be prompted to log in with your UAlbany credentials. The dashboard will list the plans that you've created. To create a new plan, you can click Create Plan here or use the tab above. First, you can enter a title for your project, but I'll check the box here that this is a mock project. Then enter your organization, which is defaulting to the University at Albany for me since I'm logged in. And finally, you can select a funding organization if necessary. For example, if I type in NSF, I can select the National Science Foundation. I will then be able to select a template. For this video, I'll just select a generic NSF template. Within the plan, you can enter an abstract, project dates, and any grant numbers. By default, you will receive guidance within the plan provided by DMP Tool and the University at Albany. To see more guidance, click See the Full List, select up to 6 organizations, and then hit Save. In the Contributors tab, you can add additional researchers for the project. You may also add an ORCID ID for your contributors here and for yourself in your profile. This is a free, unique identifier for researchers and helps you identify yourself and your scholarship regardless of issues such as name changes or researchers with the same name. Visit orchid.org to register and get more information. The Plan Overview tab will show you what information is required in each section in the template you've chosen. As you write the plan, you'll see each section and any guidance you've chosen to see. For instance, here we see the NSF guidance, DMP Tool, and UAlbany guidance. You may also add comments for your collaborators. Under the Share tab, you may invite these collaborators and select the plan visibility settings you prefer. Finally, you may download your completed plan in a variety of formats. DMP Tool includes other features as well. At the top of the page, there are relevant UAlbany links, such as the library's Data Services page, ITS, DMAC, or the Data Management and Analytics Center, and the Division for Research. Under Learn, you can view FAQs, general guidance on data management plans, funder requirements, and plans that have been shared publicly by researchers. As always, if you have any questions, please email the libraries by following the link found at the top of the